If you are playing GTA San Andreas in 2026, this video shows the must-have trainer and graphics mods that completely upgrade the game. Check my video description for this mod. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Before installing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the mod pack, select all these files, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and go back, open the exe, end of this exe, scroll down, right click on the GTA-SA and select delete option. Right click on the GTA underscore and select rename. Change this underscore to hyphen and then scroll down. Right click on the startup underscore sp and select edit in notepad. Scroll down, start GTA SA, change this dot to hyphen and select file and select save option. Now you can launch the game through this startup. Right click, show more options, send it to desktop, create shortcut. Launch the game through this shortcut. Once you are in game, press the F to open up this trainer and turn on the num lock. Use the 2 and 8 key in the numpad to choose options. To select options, use 5 key in the numpad to vehicle spawning and select cars. Select the car you like. To go back in this menu, press 0 key in the numpad. To close this menu, press the F2 and now you can drive the car you like. Look at the graphics guys, it looks so good. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.